Hey peeps, how are you doing? It's Ruth here and I am back. I'm recording this video from my phone, so thank you for checking it out. And the reason is I'm going to actually show you some evidence behind the scenes stuff on my screen. So on my phone I'm going to bring it up and I'm going to show you that in a second. But before we get into that, let me just tell you what is it we're talking about. So this video is basically how you can, Facebook. This video is how you can actually schedule your emails and a golden tip, something that you can do to grow your online business, especially if you're into affiliate marketing, and which is of course one of my favorite areas. So something that you can do as you're growing your list to get more results. And hang on a second, let's just put this on do not disturb. Okay, so yeah, something you can do to get more results to make sure that you're growing your income in your business. So I'll show you how that looks for me behind the scenes. But I was kind of inspired. Last night I was watching Tupac Shakur. I was watching his documentary movie All Eyes on Me and I couldn't sleep. After the movie I couldn't sleep because it started to say basically Tupac, before he was 25, he had 7 platinum albums and he had about 7 albums after he passed. He was also featured in about 7 movies and a whole bunch of other accolades, and I was like, oh my gosh. He did all of this stuff in his life before he was even 25. On top of that, he was out in the streets. He had been shot a couple of times. He was smoking, getting high, all of that stuff, which I'm not saying is right or wrong, but I was like, oh my gosh, he did so much of his time. What am I doing with my life? So I was thinking, oh my gosh, I need to 10x even more. I'm always thinking that. So I'm always looking for ways to grow and expand, basically, and ways to create and produce more. I love all of that stuff. So this kind of impacts on one area of my business, which is email marketing. So my mentor, Misha Wilson, he is the one who taught me this, and it basically works. So I learned it from him. I started to implement it, and then I started to see the results. So if you want to also see the system that I use, then go ahead and click the link below. As it says on the screen right now, you can get my free guide and my exclusive video training, which is free. It's an upfront bonus. So you can get that, and you can also check out the system that I use if you're interested. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you can see this image now, this is basically behind the scenes. I took a snapshot from my AWeber, and this is my broadcast calendar. So this was the month of September, which is just gone now. And let me move it just so you can see. I just kind of wanted to show you what I'm saying and what I'm advising you to do. I do it myself as well. And so the goal is every day you need to send 2 broadcasts to your emailing list, and you need to do one in the morning, which is about relationship building, and then the second one in the evening, which is your sell. So it is okay to sell because that's why we're in business. That's why we open limited companies and such and such. So you do need to do that as well because you need to be income producing. But it is really important to give value. So that's what you do with the relationship style building email. And that could be a whole different video. So if you have questions on it, then drop it in the comments. But what I just want to show you is this is the type of effort that it takes. And some people go and do even more emails each day. But to me, I think that is kind of overkill. I feel 2 emails a day is pretty much the very best to keep that balance of giving value and also respecting people's space. So yeah, you can see here, I'm showing you the true thing that I've done behind the scenes. I haven't changed it or anything. And you can actually see, if you look closely, you'll see there's some days where I've just sent 1 broadcast. There's even some days where I've not sent any. One day, I think. Is that right? Yeah, okay. So just one day so far this month of September, I missed out on a Saturday, which was Saturday the 15th. That was my daughter's birthday party. So I was having fun. I was kind of chilling, and I thought, okay, let's just chill. I'm not going to send anything that day. So that's the realness of it. But definitely the best thing to do is to send the 2 every single day, y'all. Right now it's the 22nd of September, so we still have some more time coming up before we finish this month, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to schedule in those emails. That is one of the things that I do each day. Sometimes what I do as well, I will do some of them way in advance, so that especially videos, like I love video marketing especially. So after I create a video, I put that straight into my broadcast and my follow-ups as well. So I do that one in advance, but also I like to keep it kind of organic, super organic, and I will do it on the day. So I might do it in the morning, or I might do it the night before, because I feel like that's more organic and that's more like I'll be in the moment. And then that way I can connect with people, and I might put a line or two that's more about something I've experienced or how I really feel or something I've tried. So I like to do it that way as well. So that's just some tips for you on that one. But this is what it takes to grow your business, especially if you're an affiliate marketer and you're looking to get the extra income, passive income each month. Now, it is passive income, but you do have to work for it. So sometimes I'm talking to people and they're like, okay, Ruth, I want to join you. I want to pay you. When do I get paid? And I'm like, bruh, you're going to get paid, but you need to do the work. So I appreciate that you want to join me. I really do. However, I'm going to keep it real, and you do need to learn first, and then you need to actually put in a system, and you need to start to do the work. And the truth is, it is actually easy work, and it is fun, but the tricky bit is the commitment. So I just want you to be definitely committed to your business if you're looking to grow it, because that's going to get you the best results, and you're going to see that you're making more and more money each month from that. There is some knock-on effects as well, so you will get people opting out, you will start to see a whole new set of challenges, but it's good to be in that position. So you start to actually get traction, you start to get momentum, and that's how you experience the growth. So I hope that that's been useful for you to just kind of see, like, what does it really take behind the scenes? How does it look on a calendar? What is it actually like day to day? This is a small area in the business of something that you need to do if you're doing internet marketing. So on that note, I will look forward to seeing you again on my next video. I love y'all very much. Take care. Deuces!